There was a time when this day felt so far away, yet here we are, standing at the moment we once only imagined. Today, I realized that this is not just the end of a journey, but a quiet proof that every struggle, every doubt, and every dream we carried has led us here. Standing here today, I feel both humbled and proud to welcome all of you to this moment we've long been waiting for, the moving up and our graduation ceremony. Each of us walked a different path, faced different challenges, and carried different dreams. Yet somehow, those paths brought us to the same milestone, a moment where we pause, look back with gratitude, and step forward with courage. To our teachers who patiently guided us, and to our parents who never stopped believing in us, even when we doubted ourselves, this achievement carries your sacrifices as much as it carries our efforts. Thank you for being the hands that lifted us and the voices that reminded us to keep going. I would also like to take this moment to thank my classmates, my Lulu. Thank you for being my silent hope, my quiet strength, and the light that led me here. In many ways you may never realize, you healed the pieces of me I never knew how to mend. Nagsilbing sandalan at kanlungan natin ang bawat isa sa mga araw na wala tayong makapitan. Thank you, Luna ko. Today is not only about celebrating how far we have come, but also about embracing the possibilities that lie ahead. The road forward may be uncertain, but if this journey has taught us anything, it is that we are capable of more than what we once believed. On behalf of the graduating class, I warmly welcome all of you to this special celebration. Thank you for being here to witness this important milestone with us. We celebrate not just an ending, but the quiet beginning of everything we are yet to become. Once again, welcome everyone, and may we all cherish this memorable celebration.
Division Superintendent, Dr. Rachel Ariana, represented today by Dr. William G. Cablinan Jr., Public Schools District Supervisor. I have the honor to present the candidates for graduation and completion of Nabubu High School for school year 2025-2026. For the senior high school, under the academic track, accountancy, business, and management strand, we have 14 boys and 15 girls, with a total of 29 candidates for graduation. For the academic track, humanities, and social sciences strand, they are composed of 12 boys and 15 girls, with a total of 27 candidates for graduation. And finally, under the academic track, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics strand, we have 12 boys and 14 girls, with a total of 26 candidates for graduation. And for the junior high school, they are composed of 23 boys and 35 girls, with a total of 58 candidates for completion. Sir, these learners have been molded to lead with competence and character. I have carefully reviewed the records of these candidates. I therefore certify that these 82 candidates for graduation and 58 candidates for completion have fully satisfied the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Program. I I now petition the office of the school's division superintendent to confirm their graduation and completion.
By the authority vested in me as the representative of the Secretary of Education, Honorable Sani Bugana, through Rochelle Ariana, PhD, Section 5, Schools Division Superintendent, for the candidates of moving up, your school principal, Sir Jeremy Gabriel, have certified that you are ready for the next level of your educational journey. I now confirm you completers of the Dugu High School for school year 2025-2026. May you continue to lead with excellence. For the candidates for graduation, based on the certification of your school head, your principal, Sir Jeremy Gabriel, that you have met all the requirements and as you stand ready to lead with competence and character, I now confirm you graduates of the Dugu High School for school year 2025-2026. Congratulations!
Before I shall begin my speech, I just wanted to say, we did it. Finally, hawak na natin ang beat sa ngayon. a bit of success and goal fulfillment. To our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. Celso C. Dumalig, sir, our respected and indefatigable Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Rachel Arliana Sesofay, duly represented by Dr. William G. Cablinan Jr., Public Schools District Supervisor, ministers of God who are with us today, to our ever-supportive school principal, Sir Jerwin M. Gabriel, sir, our motherly head teacher 3, Ma'am Marvic B. Cristobal, ma'am, active municipal, barangay, and SPTA officials, the devoted teachers, and other stakeholders, dear parents, visitors, friends, fellow completers, and graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful greeting to everyone. Today, we are not just in a moment of an imaginative visual. We are at the peak of celebrating our achievements, for reaping the fruits of our labors, and triumphs for successfully finishing the end line of our academic track, or trail caused by our determination. This is the time where our goals are becoming a reality. Sumablay o sumablay, a simple phrase which indicates whether we failed or succeeded to wear our supplies for our moving up ceremony. Oo, may mga pagkakataon na sumablay tayo sa ating pag-aaral. Mapates man iyan, pagbabasa, paggawa ng sanaysay, o pagsasolve ng mga complex mathematical problems. Datapway hindi iyon ang mga rason para tayo ay basta-basta na lang sumuko. Sa halip, dinakasan natin ang ating mga loob, sumubok at nagpursige. Kaya naman bilang resulta, nandirito tayo sa ating bulwagan ng may tuwa at saya habang suot-suot ang ating mga sablay. Hindi lamang ito basta sablay, dahil ito ay may hawak na kwento ng disiplina at dedikasyon sa akademiko. May mga oras man na sumablay tayo sa proseso, sumablay din naman tayo sa engrandeng ganap sa araw na ito. Completing the 4 year of walkthrough in junior high school has been a toilsome process. It took us in a long trajectory of negotiations and roller coaster of adventure. We encountered mistakes, doubts, and setbacks which have been the factors for being underwhelmed. But as we finished the track, we now realize that those are the ones that made us grow. Mistakes that took us to be engaged in the process of learning, doubts that turned to be our guiding light for redirection, and setbacks that reveal the best version of ourselves, which push us for greater limits. These 3 factors are the catalyst for our growth. Now, let me share you a quotation that we maybe always hear that says, "At the end of the bumpy road, there is success." It is a metaphorical statement that signifies even after going through a lot of problems or storms, just like on how we battle throughout the academic field, there will always be a tremendous outcome of success where, in a sense, we see flying vivid colors and rainbow of success. You earned it and you deserved it. This time, it is my pleasure to extend my sincerest gratitude to the people who have been considered as backbone of support, the ones that exerted extra efforts for us to attain this amazing milestone. Through their words, guidance, and care, everything had been possible. First and foremost, we lift our hands and hearts to God in gratefulness for all the heavenly providence and profuse blessings He had given. Let us thank Him for being our comfort whenever we feel uncertainties, and with His guidance, He made everything successfully on course. Together, let us thank Him for giving us the people who poured paramount of support and had been part of our journey. Second, from the bottom of our hearts, we would like to extend our endless gratitude to our teachers and school administrators for honing our knowledge, skills, attitudes, and values. You became an integral part of us as a person of intellect and values. We owe a debt of gratitude for the constant faith you have showed us, and with the encouragements you tell us to soar on a higher level. Thank you for teaching us diligently, ensuring that we can be a pride and asset of our community and our future alma mater. You all truly are second parents, at the same time, heroes that are dedicated, that build our self-esteem and push us onto greater excellence. Third, to the very supportive SPTA officials, together with the barangay officials and other stakeholders. Thank you for ensuring that our educational institution is a conducive haven of learning. We are looking forward for your invigorating service ahead. Fourth, to all my friends, Shomai Jujut, Tres Marias, and Trio de close ones, classmates, and schoolmates. Thank you for making our junior high school life memorable and one of a kind. You all made me experience what true friendship, togetherness, and belongingness is. Every laughter, chismisan, kulitan, and bandagalan that had been savored will never wane in memory. Mamimiss ko yung mga oras na kopyahan natin na imbes in individual activity lang e naging collaborative activity pa. Yung mga iyakan, tawanan, hiyawan at awayan natin. I appreciate all the shared time of glee, sorrows, and random moments with you all. We may divert paths, but always remember and carry the memories we have done, either good or bad, the lessons and genuine moments we treasured. Because just like what the Saranggola says, if you know the song, you can sing along with me. Saranggola'y lilipad sa kahel ng kalangitan, paalam na nga ba sa ating nakaraan? Ngunit saan man tayo, di pa nang namihan, di ba papalit ang pagkakaibigan? I love you all. Moreover, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to every dear parent who paved the way for our success and are with us today. Thank you for always being with us. Your love shines through every day as we wake up in the morning. To my grandparents, Mommy and Daddy, na siyang naging magulang ko simula nung pagkabata ko hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat po sa walang humpay ninyong pagsuporta, pagsubaybay at paggabay sa akin. Walang salita ang makapagpapahayag kung gaano ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Paumanhin na rin kung minsan pinagagalit ko kayo na parang bulkan kung aking ilarawan. Ngunit tandaan ninyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Agyaman ak ti kinaanos ken kinadumuyo kanya, nang namaan nyo, nga kanayon nga malunek dagiti pang magpagayo. To the best woman who is a pillar of hope and had already faced a lot of hurdles in life. Mama, you are the greatest gift that God had given me. Salamat sa walang katumbas na pagmamahal mo sa akin. Kahit wala ka ngayon sa tabi ko, lagi ka namang nasa puso't isipan ko. I am always inspired by you for being resilient and optimistic. Hindi ko lubos maisip ang pinagdadaanan mong sakripisyo at pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa upang mabigyaman lamang ako ng magandang kinabukasan. Salamat dahil ikaw ang aking naging sandigan. Maraming pagod at tiyaga ang iyong pinagdaanan. Kaya bilang sukli, iniaalok ko ang aking tagumpay ngayon nang naabot ko ang pinakamataas na karangalan. How I wish you were here spectating my great success, yet I understand your sacrificial absence. You may not be here physically, but I know from my heart you are proud of me, witnessing me and clapping for me. Nang dahil sa iyo, patuloy kong aabutin ang rurok ng tagumpay. And to the first man who broke my heart, yet came back after 8 years, and loved me relentlessly for more. Papa, maraming taon ang nagdaan nang hindi kita nakapiling. Sa mga panahon na iyon, Maraming tanong ang umikot sa aking isipan. There were moments that I felt jealous too nung may nakita akong mga kaedad ko na kasama ang kanilang mga papa, nakikipagtawanan, nakikipagkwentuhan. And ngayong bumalik ka na sa aking piling, sana wag ka nang bibitaw muli. And I hope I made you proud with my success today. To my family circle, I appreciate on how you cheer me up. Once again, to my fellow completers, be grand and proud to hold your certificates of completion and say to yourself, I am proud of myself. And I did this because of the kid who once dreamt inside of me and to all the people who believed in me. The experience may have been difficult, but it was all worth the wait. Let us remember, my fellow completers, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa, mangarap ng mataas, abutin ito ng patas. Let us be the trailblazers of the future. With great pride and humility, I am Adrian Jerko Sigrialgo from grade 10 Ruby, humbled and proud to be your first ever junior high school completer with highest honors. Congratulations batch 2025-2026 and mabuhay tayong lahat.
A pleasant morning to everyone. The time given wasn't enough to thank everyone, and you won't hear stories we have close to our hearts. The victories, the struggles, and the moments that shaped us. To our principal, Sir Jerwin, thank you for your leadership that made us learn and thrive. To our head teacher, Ma'am Marivic, haanming tupulos, malipatan amin nga pambagbagamba. To Ma'am Janet, Sir Gilmar, Ma'am Rona, and Sir Jerome, thank you for developing my knowledge and understanding and inculcating the value of leadership. To all the teachers during modular and face-to-face classes, thank you for teaching us lessons not just from books, but also how to become a better person. To my Ate Anyang, Nanang, Tatang, Tita Aileen, Tito Carlo, and my cousins, thank you for being with me every day and for supporting me through everything. I wouldn't have achieved this without your love and support. To my Mama Marlena, Papa Homer, Tito Manny, Tito Jerson, and Tita Princess, thank you for always giving me what I need. To my Mommy Ani, I know life was never easy. I hope I made you proud standing here in front of everyone today. Sana ay nasubihan ko lahat ng sakripisyo mo dahil kahit alam kong pagod ka na ay hindi ka pa rin sumusuko. Mommy, I am sorry if I seem stubborn sometimes. But I also want you to understand that whenever I go out with my friends, it feels like home. They've helped me heal quietly, and they've been my strength through moments I felt like giving up. Sana ngayon ay naiintindihan niyo na ako. Thank you, Mommy. I love you. The grade 12 STEM. My Luna, and my constant in this journey. After all the doubts and burdens that no one saw you carried, I am so proud of you. Thank you for every moment we've shared, the laughters, the tears, and the quiet memories that only we know. You've made this journey lighter and more bearable. You will always have a special place in my heart, Luna ko. To my Nina, who knows every corner of my heart, thank you for being my safe place and for making life better. To the person who has been my comfort and believer, thank you for holding space for me when I needed it most. To our grade 11 advisor, Ma'am Mercy, thank you for being so gentle and for being our comfort, for celebrating even our small wins, and for your big support. We will always be your Aristotle, finding our way back to you in our hearts. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma'am. To our advisor, Sir Mac, you've done more than an advisor should. You push us beyond our limits that help us grow. Maraming salamat po sa pagtitiwala sa akin na kaya ko. You saw the potential in me even when I couldn't see it in myself anymore. This journey wouldn't be the same without you, sir. We appreciate everything you've done for us. Thank you so much, sir. To Dabubu High School, thank you for the lessons and the home you gave us. And above all, to God, thank you for giving us the strength during the unseen battles and for lifting us when we were weak. To batch 2026, as we step into the next chapter of our lives, may we carry with us not only our dreams, but also the things we've learned. Laging-lagi, padayon, mabuhay tayong lahat.
Good day, everyone. If there's one thing I've learned in this journey, it's that success is never achieved alone. Behind every achievement, there are people who stay, who believe, and who never gave up on us, even when we are tired and even when we are losing hope. Today, I do not stand here with pride alone. I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude, a heart that carries everyone who helped me reach this moment. To our advisor, Ma'am Michelle, words are not enough to fully express how grateful we are for everything you have done for us. You were more than just our advisor. You became our guide, our support system, and our second home. Uray kanayon na kami sermonan, we know deep in our hearts, it was all out of love and your desire to see us grow. Kailugdakan to Ma'am, we love you. To Ma'am Eds, your guidance and passions for teaching have truly made a difference in our journey. You taught us not only lessons in the classroom, but lessons in life. We are truly grateful for your guidance and to support. To Ma'am Emilu, thank you for your dedication, patience, and passion in teaching us. Your guidance and knowledge help shape not only our academic growth, but also our character. To all our subject teachers, thank you for all the lessons. Thank you that you never gave up on us. To my classmates, as we reach the closing entries of this chapter, I just want to say thank you. Each of you became more than just names on a class list. You became part of my everyday story. Like pages in a journal, we shared moments of stress, laughter, doubts, and moments of victories that we will carry along the way. To my friends, Leia, Bea, Jenny, and Venice, you are my safe place in the middle of chaos. You saw my breakdowns, my fears and doubts, yet you chose to stay. You lifted me up when I was falling. You reminded me of my worth when I feel like I wasn't enough. You made the heavy days lighter and the impossible days feel possible. To my sisters, thank you for being my constant strength and kakampi in everything. As your ate, I may not always be perfect, and there were times I failed to show how much I care. But please, know that I will always be here for you. Uray at dadagiti panawin nga saan tayo nga gikinawatan, you still remain by my side. And most especially to my loving parents, Mamang and Papang. You are my first home, my first teachers, and my greatest strength. There were days I feel like giving up, but every time I thought of your sacrifices, your hard work, and your silent prayers, I find the courage to keep going. Agyaman at tikinaanis yung agugubra para kada kami nga panagsan. Uray na banban mo kayo, saan kayo nga nauma. Kaya po ngayit kas na dangayon inspirasyon ko, iso nga nagudod ko ating nga kanito. I love you, Mamang and Papang. As I end, I want to leave you with this. Gratitude is not just remembering who helped you. It is choosing to carry their love and kindness whenever you go. Once again, thank you for being part of my high school journey. To God be the glory.
Agananos ka, kay nagyaman ka, hindi amin nga maipaaykan ka. Dimlip-lipatan no sa dino naggabwam, ket kanayon mo kumangalagipin iti nakrugyan. To our distinguished guests, esteemed visitors, school officials, proud parents and friends, graduates, a bountiful morning to one and all. I entered this prestigious school with nervous steps, hopeful hearts, and dreams set in place. Now, I'll be leaving this institution full of wisdom, fruitful knowledge, and a courage to continue my journey. They always say that being in high school is the best part of being a student. And yes, that is true. In my 6 years at this level, I experienced many things. It was a roller coaster ride that taught me exactly who I am and who I want to become. Dabubu High School is my second home because Dabubu HS stands for dedication. In my second home, I learned that dedication is the foundation of success. Every late night of studying and every early morning of preparation taught me that effort always pays off. A. Adventure. High school was an adventure that pushed me beyond my limits. I discovered that trying new things, even when uncertain, leads to growth and confidence. B. Brotherhood. I found brotherhood in the friendships I built. I realized that true strength comes from standing together and lifting each other up. U. Understanding. Living in this home taught me the value of understanding others. I learned that listening with empathy creates respect and harmony. Understanding reminded me that differences do not divide us, but instead enrich the community we belong to. B. Bravery. I discovered bravery facing challenges head on. Bravery taught me that setting fear in my values makes me stronger and more prepared for the future. U. Unyielding. I refused to quit even when lessons were hard or life felt overwhelming. My time at Dabubu taught me to stand firm against every challenge and trust my own strength. H. Humorous. I learned to love through losers, especially when my grades and my sleep schedule didn't quite match. Finding the fun in every situation helped me see and turn even the most chaotic Dabubu days into stories worth telling. S. Success. I recognize that Dabubu High School is the true breeding ground for excellence and a vital stepping stone for my future. It is the foundation that consistently produces the professionals who are now leading and succeeding in the world today. I have a story. Adamay sa maubing nga narigot, nakote, managibit, ketay kunadan, may sanga bakla. Sipot basitsuna, madi nga mapukaw ken kuana iti prinsipyo ti panagadan. Iti kapanunutan na ket nakalawlawa. Kanayon ang ako na, no shock to ti makabasa, tay kap to ti elevator ken escalator tay palay. Nyam ga po iti problema ken panubyok ti biag, adun dagiti nagdalanan, dayta mo ubing nga isu iti nagbalen nga inspirasyon na iti biag. Iti suna ket adda iti makiinem nga grado ti elementarya, simurag suna iti sidong ti lolo ket lola na. Nagyanso na ijay iti manungatawen aging dana ita, gaputa nagsinamenten dagiti naganak na. Uray kasjay iti kasasad ti panagbiag na, kanayon na mga laglagiper, maagan-ano suna iti anyaman nga iti ti panagbiag kanyan. Tamamati suna nga pagimbagan na tumen na tayo. Iti panagadal na ti sekundarya, adu dagiti istorya ti panagbiag. Umuna nga bandik na, isumenten ti panag-COVID na. Basa ditoy, basa dita, surat ditoy, surat dita. Nung maminsan, maturog pa'y iti parbangon at malpas na langit din iti ubran. Tayo nga ron kunanan, ijay na to school nga maturog yan, tanuhan kon tuman pa'y malpas, ituloy kon tuman ijay. Iti anos kin kinagagat na, may samit suna kada iti estudyante nga makaaw-awat ti pamadayo. Nakadkadanon suna iti division level nga isu iti apan na pangikinkin ng petensya. Adayuman, when asidin. Agriing na sapa, mga agrugwat, sa true apan eskwelaan, data ti kanayon na mobra. Adamit ti panawen ni isu na ket agkapson ken mga abak. Ngem, adda dagiti tao nga isumet ti tumulong kanyan. Permi ti panang igagayad na iti panagadal na, numaminsan di na pa'y may pangpanganan. Itangarod, malpas mansuna iti sekundarya. Di tamaw bing ket awan sa bali na di kat shock. Many challenges that comes to my life, I face it with all myself. Because I believe that this is a part of progress to my success. Even at times, I also lose and stumble. But I didn't choose to give up. As I can see right now, my efforts are now bearing a fruitful results that I've always prayed to God. In my path, many people come to my way that helps me to stand, to empower, and to strengthen me. I always remember that I am not standing in this ground that I've created right now without the help of others. As Albert's picture said, the purpose of human life is to serve and to show compassion and the will to help others. Since the day that I moved into my grandparents' house, I am welcomed by an amazing woman who dressed, feed, and welcomed me in her home. My beloved Tita Helen Grace. Tita, your generosity, love, support, and care for me is a one of a kind and no one can ever take your place. When it comes to my needs, you always say yes. Dakkel man winabasin. You provide all the important things na among nga isu ti pagimbaga. Kanayon na hagyaman ken ka, gabutan no awan ka, awan na kumamit diti samay ka. May God continue to bless you, tita. Only God knows kung sinong klaseng tita ka nga ba. May amazing tita in life, together with his son, Ralph. To may mamang baget Lori, bigat pa'y laeng mangmangigit ti umnimon, nga pati dagiti baboy ken manok mo ken makaringin gaputi kinapigsa ta boses mo. May wonderful lola na naka-loudspeaker all the time. Sipod dimteng nak itisidong yo, handak tulos nga nalipatan. Kanayan dak na suportaran anyaman, ano timan, iti ubrae ken papana. Tumay papang lakay aniseto, uray nohan mo makita ti dalan mo may gitulod kanyami ti eskwela, nakaanos ka maumay mangindi drive kanyami. No awan ka kuma, hanang kumamit makadanon didoy nga pagadalan. Tumay mama Emeline, ma, amok nga nagsinang iti balay nga pagigyanan ta, nga mariknak ita tultuloy mo nga panagayat kanyami kinate. Haan ka pulos agsarsardeng agbirok ti pagubraan ni isu nga para metla kanyami. Ma, sipod dimteng nak iti panagbiag mo, anayon mo nga ikarkararag iti pagimbaga. Awan sa bali nga panunutem no diket da kami. Iti sakripisyo kinanos mo ket makikita nagbumbong. Dakkel a pagyamanan mi kinate ta sikay iti nagbalin nga inang. Nuhan ko labsen iti agsao, da kami ti kaswertean nga tao ti lubong. Ita, gapu ta adda ka kada kami. Among itirigat ko ken no kasano iti panagadal ko, manipud elementarya aging gana kita. Haan ka nga agsarsardeng nga magisursuro kanyami iti kinaimbag. Ngadaman ti hanasayaat, ti kanayon mo nga ibaga, agpakumbaba kam latan ken agananos kami. Ma, naragsak na nga dali ito nga kadwamita. Agyaman ang kanyayo tay tultuloy yu iti awan patinggana nga ayat ken suportayo kanyami. Ate Marian, we always seek God about our life. And finally, together, we are now moving forward to our dreams. To my soul sister, thank you for always being there with me. Through ups and downs, you're here right beside me, listening and giving some advice to me. Ate, thank you. To Tito Jim Rex and Tita Jean, agyaman ang iti panang tartarabayo kanya. Amok nga awan dagiti naganak ko iti abay ko, nya kang kanayon, nyang adda kayo dita. Ready na mangsalo kanya, mangsalo iti likodan. To my remarkable advisors, Sir Baby Boy, Ma'am Janet, Sir Adrian, Ma'am Estelita, Ma'am Jenny, and Ma'am Razilina. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude for your unwavering guidance, patience, and dedication. Your encouragement has inspired me to strive for excellence, and your wisdom has shaped not only my academic journey, but also my character. To Sir Jerwin, our supportive school principal, in every activity and contest that I will attend, you are always there for me, supporting me. As well as our motherly head teacher, Ma'am Maribel, who guides and leads our way like our own mother. So Ma'am G. Clear, who opened the door of public speaking to me. Thank you, Ma'am, for believing in me, for your guidance that serves as my stepping stone in my journey. To Ma'am Jenny, my very supportive teacher, you always guide me to what is right and good path that I will take. So Ma'am Razilia, thank you, Ma'am, for being with me in this last step of my high school. Many trials that we faced, but we didn't get back down because we have the determination. Of course, senior high school, to our unforgettable subject teacher, Sir SL, agyaman kami iti awan patinggana nga pagmatbaga kanyami. Now, we are now ready and equipped for college. Senior high, tayo! Pumarap kay Sir Asel at sabihin, agyaman kami sir. 1, 2, 3, and agyaman kami sir. Thank you. To my BKD and Maris, Sir Baby Boy, and Ma'am Cheryl, thank you for the lessons and the unforgettable works and bonds we've created. To my Tangkay Haraya Production, Sir J. Lord, thank you for welcoming me to this call. It has been an honor to be part of the team from its very beginning and to witness the many achievements along the way. With appreciation for the journey and the people I've shared it with, I now take my leave. This golden team unlocks my multimedia skills that help me in capturing and telling a story through my lens. Sir J. Lord, I am grateful to have this family in my high school life. Thank you, sir, and thank you, team. To all the teachers of Dabubu High School, I am profoundly grateful for the way you have shaped us not only as students but also as future citizens. To my Socrates, thank you for your support and trust in me. In every competition, challenges, activities, and exam, you all always put your trust in me. Finally, we've come to an end. As your president, I want to express how truly grateful I am to have this shared journey with all of you. As we move forward, my last piece of advice is to carry the values we've built: the unity, respect, and perseverance. Always remember the quote that I've shared to you last night. Don't rest on your laurels, keep pushing forward. To my batchmates, Luna and Titan, just like the moon, which glows even when surrounded by night, we too carry a light within us that cannot be dimmed. Challenges may come, but our unity, resilience, and courage will guide us through. let us continue to inspire one another to rise above difficulties and to keep shining brightly, no matter how dark the skies may seem. No more kandeng-kandeng sa next display. To my circle, Nicole, JC, Shine, Isabel, and Gia. From Ilaban mo GM to Nailaban mo GM. Thank you for always being there with me. In my victories and defeats, you always stay by my side. You saw me being hurt. You saw me as I was saying myself and you didn't hesitate to help me. You saw me, not just as GM, but as the real GM in me. The persons who keep pushing me to the best of my life. My constant source of encouragement, wisdom, and genuine friendship. And of course, to my research members, Shine, Ira, Windy, Reggie, and Terence. I am thankful for your presence, support, and dedication to our paper, our time, effort, and money. Finally, I want to give my thanksgiving to God, who gives me strength. As Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, who makes my plan even better. As Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future, who fulfills my wishes. As Isaiah 60 verse 22, at the right time, I, the Lord, will make it happen. God that lead, light, and guide me all throughout my high school journey. I can explain how grateful I am right now to Him. Lord, this greatest achievement that I have received this day, I commit it all to You. Because I believe that You are the center of all this, Lord. God that loves me, supports me, and takes care of me. All of us are aiming for the highest step of our lives. But as we climb our own mountains of dreams, let us never forget the people who became our strength, our foundation, and our reason to keep moving forward. Success is never a one-man journey. It is built by the hands, hearts, and sacrifices of the people around us. As we step out of this botanical haven of truth, let us carry with us not only the knowledge we gain, but also the values that shape us. Let us remain grounded, humble, and grateful. Always remember the line, di lipatan do sa dilo nagkafwang. Wherever life may take us, may we continue to honor our roots and the people who believe in us when we doubted ourselves. To my fellow graduates, ready na ba kayong mag-college? Ready na ba kayong umalis dito sa paaralang ito? If you are all ready to face another chapter of your lives, can you all please stand up and follow after me? I am now leaving this institution full of knowledge. I am equipped to face college. And I am ready to move into the reality of this world. Now, can you all please turn around, face your parents, and say, agyawan ang iti sakripisyo. Thank you. So our dear parents, nakapagtapos na naman po kami ng isang yugto. Maraming salamat po. Ang tanong, handa na ba kayo sa pagkokolehiyo namin? Handa na ba? No. Handa na ba, parents? Patuloy niyo po sana kaming gabayan at suportahan sa aming pag-aaral. Kung wala po kayo, wala rin po kami ngayon dito. So our teachers, are you all ready to set us free? The undefeated batch are now signing off. Teachers, always remember that all of the lessons you've taught us will be implanted in our life. And as we go our separate ways, may we never forget the memories we built, the laughter we shared, and the dreams we once dreamed of together in the halls of Dabubu High School. Standing before you as your batch valedictorian, I carry the rank 1 title not as a mere trophy but as the hard-won evidence of every sacrifice and every late night I dedicated to reaching this summit. Being the top of this batch is the ultimate reflection of my personal discipline. Yet, I am acutely aware that no one claims this position in a vacuum. This achievement is a shared victory, an intersection of my own relentless drive and the unwavering support of my family, mentors, and peers who stood behind me. It is the definitive testament to what happens when individual excellence meets a community that refuses to let you fail. Agyaman ang unay kada kayo amin. Thank you for being part of my journey, my story, and my success. Ti bunga, ti panaganos, ken panagyaman, at saan laeng abalay. Ludi ken puno, a panagyak nga dapan ang lagit, iti nagrugit, ken panangipatig, iti amin nihited, ken ka. Tay nga rod punadan, dumteng, tulata. I am Mark J.M. Pascua Daburo from the Humanities and Social Sciences strand, your batch valedictorian of the class 2026 and your one and only JM of Dabubu High School. Congratulations, batch 2025-2026. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Raise your right hand and follow after me. We, the graduates of Dabubu High School, realizing the opportunities of our education, which has been bestowed upon us, through the combined efforts of our parents, teachers and the government,
Thank you.